Okay, if you have a district laptop, I need you to go here, and you're going to type in SOFT for Software Center. Once you see the Software Center app there, we will open that up. And the app we are looking for is NotePad++. Okay, if it doesn't show up here, then we're going to go up here and we're going to do a search for Notepad. And you will see that we will have it here. So we're going to click on that and we're going to click install. And it has to download it. It doesn't take very long to download. And then when it's finished installing, there we go. Now it's installed. So we're going to go down here to our start menu. And then we are going to find the software here. And you will see that you have Notepad++ is now running on your machine.